Today I'm going to show you how to create your YouTube channel step by step. Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Monica with MH Divine Beauty. In this episode I'm going to show you how to create your YouTube channel step by step. But first of all, if you're new to my channel, welcome, and I invite you to subscribe down below and activate the bell so you can get notifications every time I upload a new video. If you're part of our family, welcome back again, and thank you for taking your time and watching our videos. Today I'm going to show you how to create your YouTube channel, but before we do that, you have to have a lot of things organized and ready to go. If you don't know how to do it, I'm going to put the link down below in the comment section so you can check out my video. Okay, well, let's go to the computer and let me show you step by step what you have to do. On your browser, you need to type youtube.com. That will take you to the main page. Then you need to sign in. Now, here you need to have a Google account. Here's when you're gonna put your Google email address. That's gonna be your account, or you can create a new account. This time I'm gonna type my Google account because I already have one, but if you don't have one, then you need to create one. And remember, it has to be at gmail.com. That's your Google account. Click next. Then we enter our password. Okay, now we are on YouTube. Now this is our account, your personal account, okay? Okay, on the top right corner, click on the circle icon. That will give you all these options. Now you're gonna go with what we need to select is create channel. Now we have this screen that it says get started. Let's click on that right here. And that gives you the option to use your name or to use a different name. I will recommend to use a custom name so you can have your business name according to the YouTube channel. Here you're gonna write the name of your channel, and it can be your name and then the service that you offer, or something about your niche, something related to your niche. Okay, let's say my new channel is going to be MH Divine Business Channel. And let's create it. Click here, you need to click and create. And now you have your channel. See, nice work. Your channel, MH Divine channel, has been created. So now we go down here. This is where you upload the picture that you want to have for your channel. It's going to be appearing on the top right corner. If you go a little lower, you need to fill up all this information, your website and your website link and the URL and all the social media information, so you can share and promote your YouTube videos after you're done with them. And now we are on the home page of your YouTube channel. So you can customize your channel, making according to your need, whatever is it that you know, your favorite pictures, and I'll show you this later. And here is where all your videos are going to appear as long as you upload them. Now let's say that we want to customize our channel. Click there. This section is very, very important because this is the first thing that your viewers are going to see when they log into your channel. You need to customize your banner and your picture. So, and I'll show you how to do it in just a second. But this is very, very important. Okay, you go and click on the pencil and select Edit Channel Art. Now you have the option upload your photos if you already have photos uploaded from your photos or gallery. Now remember, it's a brand new channel, so we don't have any photos, so we need to use a gallery picture. So here are some options, and just pick the one that you like the most. We can always change it. This is just to get you started, okay? So I'm gonna select this one. And this is how your channel art is gonna look like. This is how your viewers are gonna see it on their desktop, TV, or smartphone. You can always crop your image to make the focus of it right where you want it. If you click right here, see this image, you can move it up or down. This rectangle is the center of it, so you place it right when you want it. And I think that's where I want it, right here. Now select. There you go, you got it. Nice. So remember, this picture you can always change, and as a matter of fact, I recommend that you change and you make it your own. Put your picture, your information, the name of your channel. Now if you want to edit the picture right here, your icon, you can always do it. Just go and click the pencil here and edit channel icon, and just select, and that will take you to a page where you can upload your own picture, or the picture of your logo, or whatever is it that you want to put there. I'm not going to do it in this video because it's, you know, it's very easy, it's very self-explanatory. So on this page you will have all the pictures if you already upload them. If not, then you have to upload it just like we did with the banner. Right now I'm gonna upload a photo from my computer, and I just need to crop it to where I want it, and just select set as profile photo, and that's it. Now you have your banner and your profile photo. And remember, you can always edit this, change the pictures. Just go to the pencil there, and that will take you to the photos that you have. Now I already have an uploaded photo because I already upload my profile photo. If I want to use this for the banner, let's see if I can do it. Let's click on it, and it's not going to let us do it because the size of this picture is not the right size for a banner, and here will tell you all the requirements for the right size. So you can do it right here with this measurements, or you can go to Picmonkey and do it, and I will show you how to do it in a different video. It's really simple. Picmonkey, it's my favorite, and I'm gonna put the link down below so you can check it out. If you want to change your profile picture, we do the same thing. We go to edit, and you can change or remove the picture. If you click on change, it will take you to this screen. Now right here you will have all the photos that you uploaded already. If you don't have any, then you have to upload it just like we did on the first time. And here is your page. Now this is the home page. If you want to upload a video, you can use this icon over here, and upload a video, or you can go live. Now for this video we're gonna use upload a new video. Now you can upload up to 15 files. Files means videos, the videos that you have on your computer. Every video is one file, so but right now we're going to close it because we're going to start with one. So select a file from your computer, and here is uploading your video. And now when you upload a video, YouTube will automatically put the name that you have on the file in your computer as the name of your video, so the title of it. So you can always change it if you don't like it. Right here is the description. You're going to put everything that is related to your video. If you recommend any products, put the links to those products. If you recommend videos from your collection or somebody else's video, you're gonna put the link right here. Your contact information, your call to action, everything that is related to the video goes here on the description. Now this part I'm going to show you later because it's just downloading your video. It's too early in the process to show it to you, but I'll show you later. Now if you go down here, you will choose one of these two options. One of them is yes, this video is made for kids, or no, it's not made for kids. So you need to choose one of them, whatever suits you better. So mine is not made for kids, so I'm gonna click right here, and you need to go to more options. Now if your video contains some paid promotions like a product placement or endorsement, then you need to select this option. If not, then you don't have to do it. Okay, let's talk about the tags. Besides the name in the thumbnail of your video, this is the second most important part of the downloading process. Tags will help your viewers to find your video. So when you're creating your tags, think like if you're looking for the information that you are offering. If it is too hard for you to create your own tags, there are some apps that can help you. For example, TubeBuddy is really good and it's free. So now we're going to create a couple tags that they are related to my video. And you always write down the name of your video first. And then let's get another one. Tips for writing YouTube channel, or tips for YouTube channel. Anything that is related to that topic, you can put it right here in this section, and it gives you 500 characters maximum, so you have enough. Right here you have to select the language of your video. If you're going to put subtitles, this one is optional. It's the recording date and the location. That's optional. You don't have to do it. Now the standard license. Now choose the category for your video on your niche. So I'm going to choose how to and style. The next option is comments and ratings. Here you can choose either to let your viewers leave a comment or not to leave a comment. I like to know what my viewers think about my video, so I always choose allow all comments. And sort by, you can make it top or make it the newest. So I'm gonna just select the newest. Now if you go all the way to the top, the second step of the downloading is the video elements. Here you can add an end screen or add cards to your video. This will promote other videos that you already made. So this part is a little bit advanced, so that will be for a different video. And you can do anything until it's 100% downloaded. So let's go to the next one, which is the visibility. Here you have more options. It goes automatically to save or publish. That means that as soon as you upload your video, it's going to be published to viewers to find it. But it has to be public, so make sure you select this section over here. Now, if you want to schedule your videos, like for example, you uploading 3 videos in one day and you don't want them all to be available the same day, then you can schedule every video to the date and time that you want them to be published. Okay, you click schedule and that will be ready. Now let's go back to details. See, here is your video downloading or already downloaded, and YouTube will choose the thumbnail for you. Now, to be able to choose or create your own one, you have to verify your account. If you click right here, let's pretend we want to do it. So see, it gives you a message saying that you need to verify your account. So I'm not going to do it right now because I already verified my account, but it's really easy. You just follow the instructions and it's really easy. Gives you the option to put your phone number or your email. You can call, they can call you with the code, and your account will be verified, and then you can unlock everything that is available to you on YouTube. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to use my other channel because I already verified it, so I can show you exactly how it looks. See, this is the video that I uploaded in the thumbnail. See, this thumbnail is much better than the ones that YouTube selected for me. And you can do it on Picmonkey. It's really easy, and I'm going to show it to you in another video. And I'm going to put the link down below so you can check it out. It's really good and it's free. Okay, so here's the video, all the description, the thumbnail, and this is the link that you have to copy and paste and send it to all your friends, your family. Put it on your social media accounts. Let everybody know that you have a YouTube channel. If you want to make sure that everything is correct, the video, the audio and everything, you just press play right here and it will give you a preview of your video. Creating your YouTube channel can be very confusing. I'm going to give you 7 tips of the things that you must know. And that's it. All you have to do is just start making videos. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down below and activate the bell so you can get notifications every time I upload a new video. And tell me, if you have a YouTube channel already, what software do you use to create your banner, your profile pictures? What do you use to create your tags? Do you have any more questions, any comments? Write it down on the comment section so everybody can learn from each other. Okay, well, I hope this video was helpful to you. Have a wonderful week, and I hope to see you very soon. Bye.